What's good? You already know what it is. Sophisticated G. Yes, I'm taking a nice walk through nature. I want y'all to know how important a walk through nature is. It's very important. I advise everybody to take out time during their day and walk through nature. Find a trail nearby you, right? And walk it. Walk it. See, I would even advise not to even take a phone with you. Only reason why I got the phone is because I'm doing a video. I advise no electronics, no nothing, just you. Just you and God. This is how we connect with God the most, right? No distractions. Peace and quiet. Help you connect. Not only that, not only would you be able to connect with God more, but you also get exercise in. Walking is healthy for you. It's good to take a nice stroll. Ain't nothing wrong with a nice stroll, you feel me? We underestimate walking. Walking is actually very good for you. It's very good for you. We think, because it's not really pushing us, that it's not necessary. Nah, walking is very good for you. It's very good for the body. Just because your heartbeat ain't pumping 1,000 miles a minute doesn't mean that it's not good for you. That you should be doing more. Sometimes, bro, just get up, nice 10, 20-minute walk will do the job. Some days, you feel me? Some days you don't feel like working out, take a walk, man. Take a walk. Ain't nothing wrong with walking. It's something. Right? It's something. As long as you're doing something, right? Yeah, it's very important. I feel like, it's good to isolate yourself sometimes. Get away from all the technology. Give you a break from technology. Give you a break from people. Give you a break from, things that's on your mind. This is the time to let it all out. To vent to God, tell him all your problems. To give him all your problems. It's just another way to release any excess stress, any frustrations that you're going through. It's very peaceful, relaxing. Take your mind off a lot of things. You could just focus on what you got to focus on, what you got to take care of. It's a nice time to plan some things out. Think about some goals that you want to obtain. Think about some things you want to accomplish. Make a to-do list. Right? Meditate on some things. Walking is good. Walking, especially walking in nature. Appreciating life. Appreciating what you're surrounded by. Appreciating the animals, the rodents, the bugs, the trees, the insects, everything. We're all one. We're all one. Right? This is very relaxing. Sit down for a little bit. It's very relaxing. Very relaxing. I encourage everybody to go out in nature, man. Take a walk, man. If you can find a seat, sit down, just embrace it. Unwind. Let go and let God. Work on breathing exercises. Relax your mind. I understand it's been a tough week. It's been a long week. Unwind, let it go, release. It's okay. It's okay. Unfiltered. Do what you gotta do. Talk to God. Talk to God. Tell him all the things you're going through. Give him all your worries, all your problems, all your frustrations, all your stress, all your burdens. Give it all to him. This is a perfect time, perfect opportunity. You feel me? To get away if you need to. Perfect time. I'm just relaxing. It's another day, you feel me? Very appreciative. It's time to reflect on a lot of things, to show gratitude, to pray, you know, do a lot of things during this time. Not a lot of distractions, not a lot of noise. You can really lock in, you can focus. Take a book with you as well. Take a book. Read. You don't have to go to the library. Read out in nature. Take a book with you. Read. Find a nice spot. Sit down. Chill. Vibe. It's also a nice spot where you can literally meditate. You feel me? If you're someone that like to meditate with music, bring the phone with you. Other than that, I'll leave electronics in the car. Because we don't understand how much we deal with the frequency, right, of technology. Technology is frequency. We deal with a lot of those frequencies and things of that nature. Nature gives us a break from frequencies as well. You gotta give ourselves a break from those frequencies. We don't even realize how much we go through on a day-to-day when we're going through things on a day-to-day. Nature is a way to release us from all those things. Right? Nice walk. No pressure. Just you and God. I mean, you'll run into people here and there, but for the most part, it's just you and God. It's you and God. You hear that? Exactly. I'm going to continue to enjoy this walk. You already know what it is. Sophisticated G. Salute.